Removing the washer for grounding purposes is not illegal, according to the National Electrical Code. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, permits the removal of the washer from devices in both surface-mounted and concealed boxes to aid in grounding. A specific reference can be found in section 250.148, which states where a grounding path is not provided through the metal raceway, armored cable, or metal enclosure, a grounding conductor shall be installed. Another relevant section is 314.17c2, which states where a grounding path is not provided through threaded couplings, ground clips, listed fittings, or other approved means, the equipment grounding conductor shall be installed. The washer is a screw that connects the device yoke to the box. Removing it breaks the electrical connection between the device and the box, and it allows the grounding conductor to be attached directly to the box. This provides an effective grounding path for the device and any other metal parts connected to the box. Grounding clips can be employed to attach a grounding conductor to a non-metallic box. However, they might not consistently offer a reliable electrical connection, especially if factors like corrosion compromise the contact. The best practice involves utilizing grounding pigtails specifically tailored for the box type in use. However, if pigtails are unavailable or cannot be installed, removing the washer to establish a direct grounding connection to the box represents an acceptable and code-compliant method.